Hi Mika, this is the interface of our flow, chat flow, and now I'm going to open the token uh, token flow. Let me generate token. This is our token. Okay, next is go to search hotels, replace the token, search hotel. The available search hotel offers is there, but first of all I need to copy the token and need to be paste in reservation flow. Save it, go to the search hotel again, test now. I got the offers, copy the offer ID and go into the reservation flow, body paste here the offer ID to book it. Now test. You can see this is error first time because we need to revalidate the prices before booking. In this scenario, uh, no need to do extra any activity in the flow, but other sense we can check the validate revalidate the prices. In this scenario I checked, for example now I test again, the reservation will be done. You can see this is the reservation, you can see. Okay, this is the whole process which I have created in this flow almost. If you have any question, any confusion, you can ask me. Thank you so much.